Hi everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this very easy origami heart bookmark. And as you can see, it is two-sided. So it's very simple to make. You just want to take a square sheet of paper. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just using a big white square sheet, but obviously for the bookmark, you're gonna grab a smaller square that is preferably red. Now, first of all, we're gonna fold the square in half. Now we're going to unfold and fold the sides towards the center line. Now unfold again. And now we're going to fold all the four corners towards the outer creases here and here. So basically like that on all four corners. Okay, so now we're gonna fold the sides towards the center again, like that. Then you're gonna flip over and you're gonna fold the bottom left corner towards the right side, like that. And then you're gonna fold this triangle here in half, like this. Make everything flat. And now we're gonna fold the top edge towards this line right here. Okay, so now you're gonna lift the paper here and you're gonna flatten the flap to form the top part of the heart. Again, we'll lift the paper and make it flat. And when you do that, make sure that this corner point is aligned with the center right there. And repeat on the other side. And this is basically it. This is your ready bookmark on both sides. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and see you guys next time on my channel.